Look, Jaiswal, I mean, obviously, he's coming here for the first time, and he's already shown what he's capable of. He's got so much talent. And when you have a guy like that in your squad, in your team, you don't want to tamper too much with his mindset. Let him be as free as possible and not overburdened with too many thoughts regarding his batting. He understands his batting more than any one of us, and that's how he's played his cricket, and that's how he's scored all of his runs in domestic cricket, in international cricket. And when you have a talent like that, all you want to do is encourage more and more to make sure that he just goes out there and plays his game freely more than anything else. I think he's got the ability to play all sorts of game, whether it is holding game, whether it is trying to dominate the game. It's just about, trying to figure out certain areas of his game, which I'm pretty sure he's doing along with the other guys. The guys who have played here before have been passing on some knowledge about what usually happens. Every venue here has different challenges. So it's just about adapting to those challenges, playing on different pitches. The bowlers are the same. They've got 4 seamers in their squad, and one off spinner. Obviously, they are the ones who play consistent cricket for them. So it's just about understanding what they usually do and what are their plans against certain batters when we come out to bat, and then just going out there and doing their thing. Like I said, with someone like Jaiswal, you don't want to be telling him too many things about his own batting. We want him to play the way he plays, and that's how, at the top he can be very, very dangerous. If he gets going, we all know he can be very dangerous.
Started very well in all his innings, like in Adelaide and all. But do you think it's a mindset or technical problem that's happening that after such great starts in their shot, they've got now one bad inning? So, what do you think? What's your assessment?
Look, both innings in Adelaide, I thought he looked pretty good. He just went on to convert that start into a big score. He got, I think, 25, 30 odd in both innings. And I'm not going to look too much into Brisbane. Got out, second or third ball. You can't really look too much into it. But Gill has obviously been one of our young prospect who's coming up and playing really, really well. These tours can be challenging. It's the same thing when some of these teams travel to India. It's very hard for them as well. So it's the same thing. When you travel abroad, it's not that easy to put on those big runs every time you step out. But especially talking about Gill, I mean, look, his quality, we all know that. It's just about backing that quality and making sure, we give clear messaging, to him, and not, again, like Jaiswal. We don't want to complicate too many things with him. He understands his batting really, really well.